Welcome to Smulata Baina Cakes. We are going to read the lesson. Every success story is also a story of great failures. This is the part of the unit 1, that is personality development. There is one proverb: failures are stepping stones to success. This is known in the older times also. We know the success of great men, but we don't know about their failures. As in the first lesson, part A, Nick requested all try again, and again, though they fail. It is the last paragraph of the lesson. That's why only they tried again, and again, and they succeeded. We only see one part of their life, that is success. We don't see the other part of their lives, that is failures. When a man or woman, that is boy or girl, born, he cannot walk or he cannot stand. But when he starts standing and walking, he falls many times, and then only he learns to walk. When our attitude is strong, we will get success surely in our lives. Let's start the lesson. We only see one side of life, that is success, but we don't see failures which they got in his life. Though one humiliates us, we must try again and again and again to get success. See the lesson. Failure is the highway to success. That is the sentence which I already told. Failures are the stepping stones to success. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson Sr. said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. Here, Tom Watson was an American businessman. He was the CEO of IBM International Business Machines. Only we do efforts, then only you will succeed. When you fail, you will when you fail only you will put effort. So you will get success. When your effort rate doubles, there will be more chances to success. If anyone gets success, see this sentence. If you study history, you will find. Here in this sentence, when we want to combine with if there is present tense in the sentence, we must use after comma, we use present tense only. That is here, if you study is present tense, so we will get will present tense, will as present tense, will succeed, will find. Okay. If there is past tense after if, then after comma you will get past tense only, would find. Okay. Next, if you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture, and they say the person got lucky. All will tell only they are lucky. He must have They say he must have been at the right place at the right time. They only see the success of that great man. They will not see the failures and also how hard he tried for that success. Okay. See the video completely. See the video from beginning to the end. If you like the channel, please subscribe the channel. Bye for now.